Pathocide sanitizer disinfectant produced on-site in your facility is mild yet highly effective. In fact, it is significantly more powerful than bleach at the same strength. Pathocide has a milder chlorine smell and is the safer choice for you and the environment. It contains no harsh chemicals, perfumes, or dyes that can irritate your eyes and skin. Use Pathocide in spray bottles, mop buckets, and pump sprayers. Unlike conventional chemical sanitizers, Pathocide can kill bacteria in seconds, delivering sanitized spaces in less time. You can use Pathocide safely and effectively to disinfect all washable hard surfaces, including restroom floors, fixtures, urinals, and toilet seats. Simply spray it directly onto the clean surface to disinfect and sanitize. Let dwell for required time, then wipe, mop, extract, or let air dry. To clean glass, mirrors, chrome, and stainless steel, lightly mist microfiber cloth and wipe dry. Pathocide quickly kills odor-causing bacteria, leaving restrooms and locker rooms smelling fresh and clean. Use Pathocide in kitchens to disinfect food prep surfaces, sinks, utensils, refrigerated storage, and processing equipment. In dining areas, spray and wipe salad bars, display cases, tables, counters, booths, menus, and other hard, non-porous surfaces. Pathocide has a 30-day shelf life in storage tanks, spray bottles, and other closed containers. And like PathoClean, it's always ready to use and never requires mixing or diluting with water or other chemicals. On surfaces with visible soil, grease, or debris, first remove the surface soils using PathoClean. Then spray the surface with Pathocide to sanitize and disinfect. Pathosan's technology helps protect employees' health and improve safety. Replacing multiple chemical cleaners with Pathosan's two solutions not only simplifies the cleaning process, it contributes to a safer work environment and more sustainable world. Safer cleaning with solutions made for you on site.